If there's one thing that's very clear, Denver is home to the great outdoors. That's exactly why we traveled to Denver and met up with B&B RV Inc. Founded in 1999, B&B RV has become one of the most trusted names in the industry.
B&B RV is a Denver-based company. We're family-owned since 1999, and we specialize in all aspects of the dealership, from storage, rentals, service, and sales. What makes B&B RV unique is our product and our people. We have a very different lineup of products, specializing in off-road and off-grid, and our people really help our customers find that right product and enjoy selling the RV lifestyle.
From rentals to sales and service to storage, B&B RV covers all bases for their customers.
B&B RV provides the services of a full-service dealership. We have sales and rentals. We pull the rental fleet out, keep it new, and so that goes into our sales. We also have a full service department here that can help with any issues. And we have a storage facility which has electricity for each unit stored, so you can plug in your unit, keep batteries charged, which is somewhat unusual.
Specializing in off-road, off-grid, and lightweight campers, B&B RV has the RVs you want and need.
We offer a range of RVs, and we specialize in off-road and off-grid RVs. And we have units from all over the country and all over the world, from tent trailers that can double as toy haulers, to tent trailers that inflate themselves, off-road vehicles with suspensions with no axles. And in our fleet of RV rentals, we have some of the few off-road, off-grid units with being solar powered and such in our rental unit as well.
Best and most important of all, B&B RV is a company that truly cares about their customers.
We care about the customers, and it starts with the products we carry. We carry a lot of high quality products, so when a person buys from us, they don't have a lot of problems with it. We have almost no warranty, which makes it easier for us to have happy customers. Those happy customers tell other friends and family, and we get a lot of referrals, and it makes it a nice way. We have a shop full of professionals that can fix anything that we need. What makes B&B RV one of the world's greatest RV dealerships is our combination of unique quality product and our team of people that really care about the customer, try to get them into the right unit and get them out there enjoying that lifestyle.
Providing the best RV and trailer solutions in the Denver, Colorado area, B&B RV is one of the world's greatest.